Framer domain not connecting? Yeah, that's a super common problem, especially when you're trying to go live fast. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, step by step, all right? First, go to your domain settings in Framer and check the status. I mean, if it says not connected or pending, that's where we start. Next, this is important. Go to your domain provider and check your DNS records. Make sure your A record and CNAME are exactly the same as Framer requires. Now, look for any conflicting records. Yeah, extra A records or wrong CNAME entries can block the connection. Okay, so if you just updated your DNS, you might need to wait. DNS changes can take a few hours, sometimes up to a full day. Next, go back to Framer and click Verify Domain. Yeah, this step is important to confirm everything is connected. Also, make sure SSL is enabled. If it's not active yet, your domain might not connect properly. If it's still not working, open your site using the default Framer domain. I mean, this helps you check if the issue is DNS or hosting. And yeah, if nothing works, contact Framer support. There might be a back-end issue with your domain setup. So yeah, that's how you fix a Framer domain that's not connecting. One of these should get your site live pretty quickly. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.